Have you ever felt the excitement of a fresh new year? That rush of optimism as you write down your resolutions, only to watch them crumble a few weeks later? Why does it feel so hard to stick to the promises we make to ourselves? Meet Jake. On January 1st, he vowed to transform his life. "This is the year I get fit, save money, and finally write that book," he declared. Fast forward to mid-February. Jake is eating leftover pizza. His running shoes are collecting dust, and his book is still an empty Word document. Sound familiar? That's because Jake's story is our story. We set big goals, only to lose steam when motivation fades. But what if I told you there's a way to make this year different? A way to turn resolutions into lasting habits? Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to stick to your resolutions this year, step by step. Let's dive in. Here's the mistake most people make. They go all in, all at once. Jake tried to work out 5 days a week, cut out all sugar, and write 1,000 words daily, all in one go. The result? Burnout. Instead, think small. Want to exercise? Start with 10 minutes a day. Dream of writing a book? Write 100 words daily. Tiny wins create momentum. And momentum? That's how you build a habit that lasts. Picture this. Every morning, Jake makes coffee. It's automatic. What if he used that habit as an anchor? While waiting for his coffee, he could do 5 push-ups or jot down his thoughts in a journal. This technique, called habit stacking, ties your new resolution to something you already do. It's simple, effective, and hard to forget. Humans are wired to crave rewards. That's why tracking your progress, even with something as simple as a calendar, works wonders. Every time Jake completes a workout or writes, he marks it on his calendar. Over time, those marks add up, creating a visual reminder of his progress. And don't forget to celebrate. Treat yourself when you hit milestones. Rewards make the journey enjoyable and keep you motivated. Jake took these steps to heart. He started small by walking 10 minutes daily. He anchored his writing habit to his morning coffee. And he tracked his progress, celebrating every small win. By the end of the year, he didn't just have resolutions, he had results. So, what about you? What's one small step you can take today to turn your resolutions into habits? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.